This is another padlock demonstration. This is another best padlock. I think this is an original core. And it has a D keyway. This is the one of the 3 operating keys. This operating key has 2 more numbers on it, and also shinier. And the control key, which says is unlawful to duplicate this key best. And this one has a different selection numbers on it. And first I will do the operating keys. Here's the first operating key. The second operating key is just like the first. Right, and now the second operating key is the same as the first, so we'll skip to the third operating key. And now the control key. Now you turn the key and there's the core now. I'll try to show you inside. You can't see it very well. Can't see very well in there, although the thorough member is built in now. Before I show you the core, I'm going to show you what it looks like in there with the lock open, because there's better lighting if you open the padlock. You might be able to see it a little better now. You can see it a little better now. See through right up there. No, you can't. I'll try to close it. Alright, now I'll show you the core. Best. It's a best core. As you can see, you can tell if you look at the back that it's an older core. Now, this lock has, you see, let me, 6 pin, it's a 6-pin lock. Now I'll show you the lug that holds the core in place. Now I'll operate this lock. Now I'll operate the core. Now I use the operating key on the core. You can see that it just spins around. Now, here's a view of the back. And now a view of the bottom. Now, these are the pins. You can't really see any difference. You can see these are the pins. You can't see them, but you can. In real life, you'd be able to see the pins right now. All right. Now I will put the core back in the lock. And that's it.